Sometimes, creativity feels just out of reach. But ordinary toys and screens can't bring the joy of creating to life. That's when the RIVGOT drawing robot becomes the perfect gift. Easy to assemble, it's designed for kids to use effortlessly. With 150 drawing cards across 7 exciting themes, there is always something new to explore. The back of the drawing card shows drawing steps for the corresponding card item. Insert the card and let the drawing journey begin. The drawing robot guides your child through every stroke, turning complex drawings into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Each precise line helps improve focus, hand-eye coordination, and confidence with every move. Once the drawing is complete, the fun continues with coloring, allowing kids to add their personal touch and bring their artwork to life. The drawing robot brings each one to life with perfect precision. Watch as it effortlessly completes each piece, from animals to everyday objects, allowing your child to explore endless creative possibilities. Enjoy meaningful family time while inspiring your child's artistic potential. RIVGOT Drawing Robot, your child's creative companion.